Welcome to Mule. Today I am covering password-based encryption (PBE). This comes under the Java cryptography extension, which is a part of the cryptography module, and there is a connector that you have to get from Exchange to use this. So PBE, what does it do? This method applies a hash function over the provided password to generate a symmetric key that is compatible with a standard encryption algorithm. And which is very simple. You just have to give a password and the algorithm to get the encryption working. There is also a key based encryption, which is similar to PGP, where you can give a key store, you can define a key store, and it supports both symmetric and asymmetric key encryption. So, uh, for today's demo, I will show from the start how to do the password based encryption and decryption. My input and output type will be JSON. Let's see how does it work. So to explain the encryption and decryption using JCE, this is a flow where we are encrypting a particular value, that is a message from the payload, and why why do you see that I have put output application Java payload dot message? Because if I am taking a JSON input and I'm not putting this, then the codes of the string are also considered and as a part of the message to be encrypted. We don't want that. We just want to take the value. So that's why I am specifying it output application as Java, so that this is considered as a Java object and the encryption is successful. So this connector will work best because it is a Java cryptography, input Java and output Java. Here we are mentioning the password using which and using this algorithm, it will create an encrypted value. Now you see that I have encoded it into base 64. Now why I'm doing that is because when I encrypt this using this algorithm, there are some characters which will was generated here as JSON, as we are using the same to decrypt. It might get distorted. Mostly I have seen this getting distorted. So to make it work with JSON, I have encoded it into base 64, and here when I decrypt, I am first decoding it from base 64 using the basic from base 64 function, and then I am giving that as an input to this connector, which I said will best works with output application Java. Same key I have intentionally passed from runtime so that it I can highlight that there is the safety of this thing not being inside the code. The algorithm which we use to encrypt, it has to be the same to decrypt, and here we are just creating the JSON payload from the Java uh, part of this connector. That's all for the decrypt. Thank you.